How does a hybrid pump works? We're talking about hydraulic hybrid pumps. First of all, we're going to look at the schematic. Basically, a hydraulic pump. We have one pump over here. Hybrid pumps are usually double pumps. I don't know if they're triple, but for sure they're double pumps. I think no. I think they're exclusively double pumps, and one of them is a variable displacement. It could be, let's say, pressure compensated variable displacement pump. And so we draw this thing over here. And then the other pump over here that goes mounted on the back of the piston pump. This is usually a piston pump. This one is a vane pump, usually. Actually, that it is a vane pump for the hybrid units. Each one of them has their own outlet. However, these little pumps over here have a common suction. And that is a hybrid pump. This one over here, usually a piston pump. This one usually a piston pump. And this one usually a vane pump. And I say usually, I should say it is. That's the way it is. That's the ones that I've seen. That's the one I see in the catalog and everything. And one is a vane and the other one is a piston pump. Now usually they're both units are normally, at one point I would say they're regular standard pumps. And somewhere in the engineering they managed to put it together, and in the engineering process they managed to put on a common suction for the pumps, for a double pump. The companies that I've seen doing this is usually the only company that I've seen with these pumps that I know of is Parker Hannifin. Parker. Now they go under the brand name of Denison. Normally, these pumps, they do have, for my experience anyway, they have a longer delivery time. They don't seem to be like the go-to standard units to build a hydraulic system. Maybe I will speculate that they are better the other options. When I say other options, normal options, in which you eliminate the common suction and you just use like a regular double pump or triple pump or whatever that is, in which each pump has their own suction. I don't know if there's any problems with sharing a single suction for these pumps. I don't know if that's the preference. I don't know why. I really don't know why would somebody make a share suction. Maybe at one point it seems to be like a very cool engineering to do or something. But obviously, the delivery time of the units are a little bit long. So it leads me to believe, and I don't know, is that this may be just in my way of thinking, that it might be other options that are technically superior, maybe. I don't know if that's the case or not, but you can find other pumps that you can build, more common pumps that you can put together that do the same and commercially available are they may be better price and delivery than the hybrid version. So it is what it is. Usually we offer a replacement parts. We don't usually replace the whole units, but we have replacement pumps. The car kits that go inside the vane pumps, or the rotating groups that go inside these units. COKs is easier to repair than going out and building a whole new system. If you want a whole new system, there are other options more available, I would say. Even from Parker, maybe. You know, what is the inventory from the company that manufactured these units? You know, I don't know, guys. You know, sometimes speculation of everything, right? All I'm saying is maybe I would like to have an individual suction for each pump. But anyway, guys, that is what is a hybrid pump. It's a double pump. Usually, or it is a piston, it is a vane, and they share the same suction, and they have separate outlets. That's a hybrid pump. That's what a hybrid pump is. So anyway, guys, if you need anything out of these pumps or anything on other industrial hydraulic or industrial components, you can always send us an email. Email address somewhere in this video, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.